Welcome to this week's wrap-up of 15secTech on YouTube. On this week's show, Lara shows us a 3D printing pen. I talk about an app that will help you better manage your photos, and we have lots of chat about the Apple Watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our show right here on YouTube.
3Doodler is the first 3D printing pen on the market. Check out the 3Doodler Instagram account for inspiration and lots of creative contests. You don't need any technical knowledge or special software to use it, and you can get started really quickly with drawing right off the top of your head or tracing templates to create larger and more complex objects. There are lots of different color options for plastics to order on their website, including color packs, so you can get a variety of materials to work with. The 3Doodler version 2.0 will ship in May 2015.
Do Camera is an innovative Android and iOS app that lets you create recipes for your photos. You can connect your camera to Facebook, Dropbox, Evernote, and more, so you can always easily share your photos in more than one place.
Google Analytics URL Builder is an incredibly handy tool to use if you're running online campaigns. By using Google's URL Builder, you can add custom parameters to your link, including campaign source, which tells us where the traffic is coming from, for example, from your March 1st newsletter or from your Twitter account. The campaign medium, which tells you what kind of source it's coming from, for example, email or pay-per-click or social media. And the campaign name, which is just whatever you want to call your campaign. Now when you look at your Google Analytics, you'll be able to see which of your custom URL links was used to visit the page in question, letting you know if most of the hits on that web page were the result of when you sent it out via your email newsletter or through Twitter or whatever other methods you've used.
Meerkat is a new app that's getting a lot of attention online. It allows you to stream live video from your Twitter account. It's available right now for the iPhone and will soon be available for Android devices.
The Apple Watch is a timekeeping and notifications device. It's also an interesting communications device that not only lets you take calls from your watch, but has a digital touch feature that allows you to sketch things or tap things or share your heartbeat with somebody else with an Apple Watch. It's a health and fitness tracker, and it is also a device that can run a ton of app-based interactions. So we're looking at a whole new app world here as well. And realistically, it is certainly, in my eyes, a fashion accessory.
Definitely. One thing that I was happy to see is that, I mean, of course you have to have your Apple Watch paired with your smartphone, your iPhone, but you won't have to always be immediately in proximity to it. So it works via Bluetooth or if you're on the same Wi-Fi network. But what can you tell us about the price point?
The price point in the States is $349 for the entry-level sport watch. One crazy thing I think about the Apple Watch is the naming conventions. It's an Apple Watch. Generically, you're talking about Apple Watches, but the middle watch in the line is called just Apple Watch. The lower watch in the line is called Apple Watch Sport, and the upper watch in the line is called the Apple Watch Edition. So I guess it's the Apple Watch edition of the Apple Watch. It's ridiculous. So somebody has got to clean up some of that stuff too. One piece of the Apple Watch is obviously the health and fitness tracker aspect of that. A lot of that's run by HealthKit, which is already on your iPhone. But I think an announcement that you were really interested in was Apple talking about the ResearchKit extension on the HealthKit. Do you want to share a bit of it?
Yes, absolutely. So I have a bit of a background in health research from my work life, and I'm super excited about ResearchKit. I think the important thing for people to realize is that it's all opt-in, and there are some really important research areas like asthma, breast cancer, diabetes. So instead of having 100 people participate in a research study on Parkinson's disease, you can have an app that allows people to check in every day, do some simple little tests to show the progression of the disease and their symptoms.
So, you know, there's ResearchKit, HBO on Apple TV, the new MacBook, and of course the Apple Watch. We'd love to hear what you guys think about it, so let us know in the comments here on YouTube or through any of our social media channels.
Thanks for watching.